If someone had told me that my skin could go from being dull and patchy to soft, dewy and radiant all day long in 1 week, sincerely I wouldn't believe. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Irene, your go-to skincare bestie, and here I talk all things beauty, glow and hydration, and how to help you achieve your dream skin, especially if you have a dry, dull or flaking skin. If you want a radiant, youthful, smooth and hydrated skin, then you are in the right channel. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because I will always bring you the best skincare tips that are melanin friendly and that is tailored to your skin concern. Real one, guys. If someone had told me that my skin could go from being dull and patchy to soft, dewy and radiant all day long in 1 week, sincerely I wouldn't believe. But guess what? The BIOAQUA Hydrating Face Sheet Mask proved me wrong. The transformation I saw in just few days was crazy. My skin is now visibly brighter, softer, glowy and hydrated all day long. So if you've been struggling with a dry, dull, patchy skin that just won't stay hydrated no matter the amount of product you use, then this hydrating face sheet mask might be the missing piece in your routine. The BioAqua Hydrating Face Sheet Mask has a super soft, thin membrane cloth that holds a powerful essence that helps to keep your skin nourished. Immediately you apply this, you will feel your skin getting softer, hydrated and glowy. Now let's talk about the ingredients that make this magic happen. It has a lot of ingredients in it. It has hyaluronic acid that helps to attract and hold moisture in the skin. It has ceramide that helps to straighten the skin moisture barrier. It has glycerine that helps to boost hydration and keep the skin plump. It has allantoin that helps to soothe and soften your skin, and other ingredients in it. Guys, all these ingredients work together to help improve your skin texture, boost collagen production and to strengthen your skin barrier. So how do you use this product? First, you want to wash your face with a very good hydrating face cleanser. You can use the one from CeraVe. Yes, that one is gentle and it has hyaluronic acid and ceramide in it. It's very good for someone with a dry skin. So after you've washed your face with a gentle cleanser, then you want to go in with a very good hydrating face toner. Yes, to take away extra dirt from your face, and then you will now go in with your hydrating face sheet mask. You will allow it to stay on your face for 15 to 40 minutes so that your face can absorb, so that your skin can absorb all the goodness in it. After 40 minutes, you take it off, then you go in with a very good serum and then your moisturizer, and then lastly your sunscreen. If you do this continuously, you are going to see how your skin is going to transform in a very good way. Like your skin is going to go from 0 to 100. So guys, if you're ready to say goodbye to that dull, dry or flaky skin, then try this BioAqua Hydrating Face Sheet Mask and see the glow for yourself and see the wonders for yourself. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.